Okay guys, today we are teaching you how to get it assembled with the manual cabinet. Okay, this is the top parts and this is the down parts. So one machine, it combined with two different parts. So we will be supposed to be installing this cabinet by the screws. Okay, so this is the left and this is the right and this is the bottom parts. Okay, so after we put the screws on it, and then we're supposed to put this cabinet on the top of the main parts. So right now you see there are some of the screws and we should put the screws on the cabinet there. You see this is the first part and then this is the second part. You see? And then the second part has to be installed well.好了，那一个不打，那里还有个下皮。知道吧我知道。啊，那边说。Okay, so we put the screws and also there is lights. You see there is lights. So we put there is LED lights connectors. Okay, so we go through here. Okay, when we make it connected. So right now let me put this on it. 对，要把机箱放上去。被锁了，下面锁。哎，稍等一下，把那个线拍一下，把那个线拍出来，把这个线通过这里。Okay, so this is the wire, okay, of the LED lights. So we have to get through here, and then, 对，然后把那个打开，你会把它打开，把那个。这个打不开了的。打不开了，我们就只能给它往上穿，然后在背后这里接。So we have to get that LED lights, the connectors. 从哪里 ？We have to go get that from that button there. 应该弄长一点这个线。我看一下在哪里。 Oh, yes, yes, I can feel there is a hole there. And the people, they can get it connected there, okay? So this is the connectors. 已经连上了是吗？
连上了一个。
This is the connectors, okay? So we have to find two connectors, the LED light connectors, to make it connected. Okay, when the power is on, and it looks gorgeous. Eh, 我们把那个东西放上去之后，没事，你拿过来，对，拿过来。我们把空的放上去之后，大概需要有几个螺丝需要打呀？不是，这个我们把它和它放到一起之后，打哪几个地方螺丝？
这两个。
稍等一下。
这里。
哪里？
这里打螺丝。
Okay, here there is a screws, and there is a second screws, and this is a third screws here. This is a third screws. 然后呢？这里。Okay, this is a fourth. 中间有个。Okay, middle part there is screws. It's supposed to be get in sternut. This is the screws. It should be okay. Also here, and also here is one. Okay. Thank you. 就打完就可以了 ，OK。对，然后把空调放上去。So and make it a wire is you see the micro switches will be connected to the machine, and then that's how it look like.